Hey everyone, my name is Kate and I am the owner and creator of Kate&Barrel Designs in Tucson, Arizona. And I've been doing lots of video series on my YouTube channel on this awesome little table and how I've been achieving the different looks that I'm gonna get when I finalize everything. So this is my next step. I've painted my base coat here on this section of the leg. And now what I want to do is go ahead and add back in some metallic detailing. So I'm going to be using the Heavy Metals Gilding Paint from Wise Owl, which you can purchase on my website. It comes in 8 ounces and it also comes in a 4-ounce pack where you get all 6 metallic colors. This metallic is so amazing and so pigmented. You barely need to use any of it. It's just absolutely crazy. If you go back and look at my video on how to do the stripes, I did the stripes on this table. This is just 2 coats of the metallic mercury as well. So it gives awesome, amazing coverage. I'm gonna use an artist brush for my detailing. Technically, I would use a bigger brush if I was dry brushing on a bigger piece. However, because I'm doing little details in here and I wanna get heavy and then lighter in certain areas, I'm gonna go ahead and just use kind of a smaller brush. So when I dry brush, I like to make sure I have a shop towel with me. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm actually probably just gonna use this top part right here and get some paint on it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it off. And then I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna start with this rose right here. And I'm just gonna dry brush some metallic detail onto this little rose right here. And I am going heavier on some of the petals because I want it to be more shiny in certain areas, less shiny in others. Get in here. Get really heavy in this little area right here and kind of bring it out. Again, I'm really just trying to focus on the actual ornate little pieces. If I get a little bit on other sections, it's okay. I can always go back and kind of edit those out with my smoky quartz again. There you go. Yeah, you can kind of see all the different little metallic accenting and shimmers that are happening in the details that are coming in. Isn't that so fun? All the little shimmers and everything that are going on in there. So I definitely want to get a little more on this guy right here. It's feeling a little left out. And a little more shading right in here. Okay, remember I can go back through and kind of touch out if we need to on these little areas right here. So you can see the difference between this leg right here. So remember the shimmer. And this leg right here, which doesn't have anything on it yet. Okay, so this one is still going through the process of getting some smoky quartz laid out. Some of those nooks and crannies still. But that is a quick and easy way to add some real amazing shimmer dry brushing with an artist's brush. There you go again. So dry brushing with an artist's brush and getting in all the different kind of details and things that we want. And if I wanted to go heavier in a certain area, I could just go ahead and take my brush, do a little tiny wipe off, and then say I want to get this leaf right. I want that shadow to be solid, metallic. That's all that it takes. Okay, so just a tiny little bit, and the coverage is just absolutely amazing of the metallic. So again, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. If you like this video, I would so appreciate a thumbs up. And like I said, the link will be in the comments for where you can purchase all your products, the Wiesel chalk synthesis paint, the mercury, the Prima molds, all that good stuff. And make sure to check out the other videos to see how the molds are put on and also how we went ahead and did the striping on this as well. So until next time, thanks guys, bye.